older, so we're going to be a little bit less jumping out of caravans this year, or maybe not, maybe for the first one for the 2018, one of our, one of my favourite bands of all time, well, campers they are, Eco Tourer. Well, I'll put things into as a category for you. Most bands, if you were boats, they'd be tinnies. This is a land yacht. Spectacularly made, spectacularly easy to set up. Say hello to my little friend. All you need is one of those. Crafty fellow, have a drill. Now the way these things are made, the way they function and operate is like nothing else on the market. So, not the cheapest things in the world, but well, there's one true saying in life, that you always get what you pay for. Now this is seriously easy to do. There's zero resistance on this thing. You can see there's all gas struts everywhere. Anyone can do it. Now, I mean anyone. Put that away. May I add, I probably shouldn't do this, but I'm going to. Always wondered if caravans were boys or girls. Well, this one's a boy. Fold up drawbar. I probably shouldn't do that stuff, but what the hell. A couple of bolts and the drawbar folds up, so great for conventional storage. So everything winds up, apart from, might just get you to come in and you can see what happens here. So, bang, bang. Actually, that's in the wrong spot. Oops. Oh, we're in the wrong spot. I've got them in the wrong spot. Can you believe that, Jimmy? There you go. Now, if I had rehearsed, we would have done it probably the first time, but seriously simple stuff. Okay, canvas, what we got, very first one, 2005, Eco Tourer Slipstream. It's what they call an off-highway mod, so it's their off-road, seriously elevation. If you like slapping a bit of steel, there's plenty over here. Beautiful brush bars, seriously easy to use Fiamma awning. Now, the construction of this thing is, if you haven't seen one, go and look at one. They are absolutely, for me, they're breathtaking. So there's nothing, and I mean nothing, that's made like them. One piece, there's nothing that's going to leak. They're just built incredibly well. Chunky rear bar, 2 water tanks, so actually no, 1 water tank, solar panels, battery. It's quite a decent sized van. They're 16.5 foot. Now I can't emphasise how well these things are made. So the gas storage containers are probably a prime example. Beautifully fitted out. Attention to detail here is like nothing, and I mean nothing else. Incredibly easy to use. They tow like nothing else. We've got no lights on in here. Let me just turn a couple of these on. There we go. Now, there's a few different configurations. For me, this is one of the most spacious ones. So, twin single beds, storage, incredible. Now, I don't think these are one-piece moulds. The way they're done is just seriously insane. Like, it's just seriously, I kept saying, how many times have I said seriously today? Quite a few. We've just started, I'm going to do a few of these today. I can't emphasise enough just the quality, the finish, the detail, just the little corners, everything about them is just genuinely in a different league. This is a 16 odd foot camper. you know, you've got your sink, 3-way fridge, 3-burner. Your trifold dinette. Just the space in here is genuinely incredible. Campers, 27,777 tow away, no more to pay. Look, this is a very, and I mean very, very, very beautifully made, beautifully kept. It's a one-owner van. Come in, Metro RV. The world's your oyster, or the country's your oyster in this thing. Give yourself a serious spoil. These are, well, I've got one record we've got with these. The first person to see them's always bought them, and I dare say this will happen the same with this one. Come in, have a look, take it away. Thanks for looking. Happy New Year. We'll see you soon.